In this video, we talk about RedMagic 9 Pro Plus versus RedMagic 8S Pro. The RedMagic 8S Pro launched on July 2023 with the price tag of $700. The RedMagic 9 Pro Plus launched on November 2023 with the price tag of $800. The weight of these devices is same and the build is front and back glass and aluminum frame. The both device come with dual SIM supported. The display type is AMOLED and 1 billion color, and the screen size is same, and the resolution of these devices 1116 by 2418, and the PPI density is same 4400. The refresh rate of RedMagic 8S Pro is 120Hz and the RedMagic 9 Pro Plus have 120Hz. Screen to body ratio is same 989 by 1, and the protection of RedMagic 8S Pro is Gorilla Glass 5 and the RedMagic 9 Pro Plus have Gorilla Glass Victus. The screen brightness is 1300 nits peak of RedMagic 8S Pro and the RedMagic 9 Pro Plus have 1600 nits peak brightness. Let's talk about the camera of these devices. The RedMagic 8S Pro come with triple camera setup. The main sensor 50 megapixel wide, 8 megapixel ultra wide and 2 megapixel micro, and it's also record 8K 30fps video. And the RedMagic 9 Pro Plus also have triple camera setup. The main sensor 50 megapixel wide, 50 megapixel ultra wide and 2 megapixel micro, and it's record 8K 30fps video. Let's talk about the selfie camera of these devices. The both device come with 16 megapixel under display camera and it's record 1080p by 60 fps video. The platform. The RedMagic 9 Pro Plus come with octa-core CPU Cortex X4 and the RedMagic 8S Pro come with octa-core CPU with Cortex X3, and the chipset of these devices RedMagic 8S Pro come with Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 and the RedMagic 9 Pro Plus come with Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. The GPU of these devices, the RedMagic 8S Pro come with Adreno 75040 and the RedMagic 9 Pro Plus come with Adreno 750. It's also based on Android 13 and 14 Android. The memory, the RedMagic 8S Pro have 8GB, 12GB and 16GB of RAM, and the 9 Pro Plus have 16GB and 24GB RAM, and the both device come with 256GB, 512GB and 1TB storage, and it had not micro SD card. The battery, the RedMagic 8S Pro have 6000 mAh battery and the 9 Pro Plus have 5500 mAh battery. The RedMagic 8S Pro have 80 watt fast charging and the 9 Pro Plus have 160 watt fast charging. The both device not available fast wireless charging and also supported 5G network. The result, the RedMagic 8S Pro got 19 points and the RedMagic 9 Pro Plus got 25 points.